Connect the three-phase line input power supply to the three input terminals L1, L2, and L3. After the connection is completed, connect the grounding terminal. For better EMC protection effect, it is recommended to use a grounding wire with a diameter of 10 mm or 0.3937 inches or more. Then, carry out the connection of the motor cables. Connect the three-phase motor wires to the terminals U, V, and W respectively. After that, connect the control wires. If a flexible control wire cable with a shielding layer is used, it is necessary to strip the outer sheath of the cable to expose the shielding layer and press it onto the spring buckle. Then, use a flathead screwdriver with a maximum width of 3 mm or 0.118 inches to press down the retaining spring, and insert the two wires into the terminals. If the cables are already equipped with the sleeves, you can simply insert the cables directly into the terminals. At this point, all wiring is complete. Now you know how to wire the iC2-Micro.